What is up, everybody? Crazy Guy Gaming here, and tonight we'll be playing a new game I found on Game Jolt. It's called Terror Bird. So, without further ado, let's play this. Oh, Terror Bird Feeding Frenzy. Okay. Apparently, the objective is go around stealing people's food. Okay, where are we? Oh, God. I didn't think we could fly. Give me a food. Give me a food. I want the food. Food. Oh, God. How do we steal the food? Yeah. Oh, yeah. We just knocked him down. That's my food. Can we get it? Oh. Yeah, we ate it. Yes. More food. More food. Give me your food. Give me that food. Food, food, food. Oh, we can't hardly knock anybody down. Food, food, food. Yeah, yours too. Come on, knock him down. Eat the hot dog. Oh, we have weird looking legs. Food, food, food. Give me your food. Give me your food. Oh, God, we overjumped that one. Did we get him? Is he down? Oh, he's down. Okay. He was stuck. More food. I need more food. I need more food. Who's got food? Who's got food? You got food. Give me food. Give me your dang food. Oh, darn it. Can't really control the jumping. Where'd he go? Food! Oh, God, we jumped on top of the building. Come on, give it here. Give it up, give it up, give it up. Give me your food. No, we're back out in the woods. Okay. Oh, crap. Why did we do that? Oh, food, food, food. Food, yes. Food. Apparently you can knock over the trash cans. Okay, the mechanics on this game are very hard. Okay, we got an apple. Food! Oh, God. That wasn't even close. Food! Good grief. I cannot control him. Come back here. Come back here. That's my food. That's my food. 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 I will kick you. Oh, we can just run into him and knock him down. Okay. Oh, crap. Oh, crap. I hate when that happens. Okay. We'll try it one more time. I didn't know you could knock him down. Just by running into him, I mean. Here we go. We just run all over. Just knocking people down. Give me the food. Give me the food. Give me the food. Yeah! Knock your ass flying. You're dead. Eat you. Yeah. Man, you went flying. Give me the food. Give me the food. Come here. Come here. Why is this a little kid scream like a grown man? Come here. Man, you're fast. Oh, crap. This kid is fast. Oh, there we go. Apple. More food. Yeah. Oh, crap. Okay, battery running low. Still. Oh, that's annoying. Come on. Why is it closing out the game? Get back in. Good grief. kicking people all over the place. Or just starting to enjoy the game. Start closing himself out. Come here. Come here. Come here. Yeah. Come here. Come here. Give me that banana. I want the banana. Give me the banana. Give me the fucking banana. Yeah, that's what you get. Oh, you got food. Bring it on. Give me your food. Oh, you're just another banana. Yeah. Okay, we're doing much better this time. Come here. Come here. Hey, how come you won't get knocked over? Come on. Come on. Come on. Man, they're fast. Come on. Come here. Give me the hot dog. I'm gonna kick you again. Yeah, we got one. Come on, 25 seconds. Eat some more food. Come here, Mr. Hot Dog. Oh, we're on top of a building. Cool. Come here. Come here. Come here. I want the hot dog. Okay. Alright, guys, we're going to have to end the video there. My battery's running low, but that was a lot of fun. Terror Bird Feeding Frenzy. I'll leave a link in the description so you guys can play it yourself. Let me know what you think in the comments. Leave a like, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.